song, then keep on watching and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will get notification whenever I upload a new video. And one more thing, do follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, without further ado, let's move to the video. Let's talk about the chords first. So we are using C minor, C, D sharp, F. The next chord we are using A flat or G sharp. So G sharp, C, D sharp, A sharp, so A sharp, D, F, and F minor, F, G sharp, C, G minor, G, A sharp, D, E flat or D sharp, so E flat, D, A sharp. So these chords we are using in the song, and if I am forgetting any chord, I will write up there. Now let's move to the video. So let's start with the tune, and it's beautiful. It's the viral one. So come on, D sharp, and it's like 1, 2, 3. Now come on, C. 1, 2, 3. A sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the first time. The second time there's a little change. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay, so the whole tune is like this. Now let's play our song. So the song will start from D sharp. It's like now second line from G. Come on, D sharp again. Now go on this D sharp. Come on, G, and from here. Again, C. Now come on, F again, and from here. Now from here, 나의 운명이 걸까? Then 날 fall in you. Now Chanyeol rap. Now Chanyeol oppa rap. So the rap will start from A sharp, and it's like 운명처럼 너를 falling. Then come on, D sharp. 헤어날 수 없어. 제발 hold me. Okay, the next line. Then again, come on, A sharp. 내 인연에 끊이는지. Then again here. 기다릴 네가 많은지. 가슴이 먼저 빼내려 아는지. Then next, come on, G, and from here, stay with me. Now come on, A sharp and 내. Come on, G. 마음속 깊은 곳에 네가 사는지. Then again, stay with me. Then again, 내 안에 숨겨봤던 진실. So I will write up so you can just follow my voice and written notes. Now let's play the next part. We have 나의 두 눈을 감으면. So we've already played this part. Again we have 넌 fall in you. Then the tune again. Then yeah, we will repeat this. Now let's play the next rap of Chanyeol oppa. Next rap will start from D sharp. It's like 가슴은 뛰고 있어. Then from here 여전히 널 sharp again. I take a molly so take a bogo ship. Come on, D sharp again. 내가 또 외로운지. Okay, so the next rap is kind of, there is no tune, so we will just play. Okay, so 처음 너를 stay with that. So yeah, that's it. I mean, the rest of the song is same as the first paragraph. So now let's play with our both hands. Then it will repeat. Now let's play the second rap of the song. That's it. I mean, the same. I hope you guys have liked it, and if you have liked, please give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day. Bye.